this planet ring!
But these are really small. Wait, this just looks like an asteroid, and that planet ring is not even bigger than the moon. A Kukar? No, a Kuar. I never heard about this planet, but it doesn't even look that big. That right there is the moon. Oh my god, what the heck? Like, all these planets are even smaller than the moon, and the moon is not that big. Alright, the Earth, okay. So the Earth is kind of big.
Oh my god. Neptune?
I didn't even know that Neptune had a planet ring. But that's insane.
Uranus?
What? 51,000 kilometers? That's insane. Oh my god. And that's just the diameter. It's so large that you can actually measure in light speed. What? Look at Saturn. Whoa. Jupiter. These rings are even bigger. Oh my god, that's insane. What? The PDS? How the heck is that so big? What is that? There's no way that that's a real planet. It has to be a concept planet. That's a real planet. That makes no sense. The ring is bigger than the whole planet itself. What? Have you ever heard about these planets? I personally never did. Can you walk on these rings, or is it just there to be there? No, wait, there's something bigger than that? There's something bigger than that. Whoa! So how does one planet actually have enough, like, force to keep all this stuff together? Wait, this one is a lot more clear. This way I might get a better idea of how big these rings are. Chiron. Alright. That is actually a asteroid. That does not look like a planet. I didn't know that asteroids could also have these rings. That's insane. Ooh, that looks way better. That looks like Mars. What? Eumea's actually a oval planet? Doesn't even exist? What? That is so cool. Oh my god, imagine if Earth get attacked by the ring of Neptune. Would we be able to survive? Because the ring just contains a lot of asteroids and comets in there, just debris of the universe. So that kind of is interesting to think about. Uranus has like a big ring right there. I wish one day we could actually go to these rings and just walk on these rings. That would be so cool. Saturn has a very big ring, but I don't know if it's dense or not. Jupiter. I never knew that Jupiter had a ring. That's the sun right there. Oh my god, the sun is always just too overpowered. It's just too big. It's just way too big. What do we got right here? Whoa, look at that ring. That looks so cool. That really looks cool, guys. Is that another type of sun? That has to be a red star giant, supergiant star sun. Oh my god, that is actually terrifying how big that is in comparison to literally our planet. Stephenson 218. Whoa, dude. Oh my god. Wait, why is that planet? Look, why does it look like that? What kind of planet is that? Oh my god. What kind of planet could that be? Whoa, look at that. That just looks beautiful. Maybe one asteroid inside of this ring is maybe even bigger than the planet Earth. That's an insane concept to think about. Whoa, oh my god. What kind of planet is, why is it striped? I've never seen a yellow planet in the world, in the world. Maybe it's the Fetty Squad planet. KEC 8462 852, HD 1632 96, and that one has a very big ring, but you can see that there's a lot of spacing between it. That spacing is actually pretty cool. Whoa. How much space is between these rings? And I need to understand what force is keeping these rings like together. Why doesn't it just dissolve everywhere? Stephen, Sun 218, that's the largest known star in the world. So you're telling me that all these asteroids inside of these rings are bigger than the largest known star that we know? Whoa, the universe is way bigger than I thought. Where are we going now? Where are we going? Where are you zooming in? Oh my god! Oh my god, where are you going? HD, well, that one is small. Oh, this is just for the size comparison. That are some crazy rings. I wish we had like some better telescopes so that we could like zoom in into these rings. That would be so cool. If that would like be possible, that would open our mind. The universe is actually just an endless void. It's just an endless void with unlimited space. It's like a gigantic server on Roblox. I wish we could also zoom in these rings so we could see what kind of asteroids are in there. Can't we already see like the kind of asteroids that are inside of like Saturn? I would love to see that. Oh my god, so we're just going back straight where we are right now. It's not Uranus, and definitely not Neptune. It's our beautiful planet, the Earth. Oh my god. That's so cool. The Earth. With 4 continents. Wow, you look at that. I want to see how that looks like. I wish we could like see it. Do we have a real picture about that? But since I will be doing reaction videos on this channel pretty consistently, I will do the meme of the day on this channel right over here. So let's see what Hardwing Sky has. Ooh! I wish they sold these type of burgers in restaurants because I would definitely order it. But Hardwing Sky, you're gonna be promoted.